Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, also bargain store gold or garbage. Saturday the 20th of September 2025, Keynsham today. Bargain store, went in biology again, and they've got this range of sea life. I don't know, I think there were some things that weren't sea life in the range, but they're these paper covered foam slide together, slot together, clip together. In fact, looking at these, they look like they're sticky backed and actually stick to each other. There was quite a range. I just chose the shark and the sea turtle. There was definitely a dolphin and a clownfish. There's quite a few other things as well, land mammals as well, I think. So it doesn't appear to have a theme telling you what they are, what the set is. Anyway, yes, tear off and paste, it says here. 99p, and as I say, I've got two of them, shark and a sea turtle. Probably go in the car for something to do when Nanny's visiting her friends. Charity shop. Goldie's charity shop, this one, I think. Yeah. Came from Asda originally, a basic kite. I should imagine it's a parafoil. I think I've had one similar in the past. So check the video description. I'll put a link to my kites playlists. There's several playlists because I've split them into the different types of kites. But I thought 50p, I've got to have it. So we have a handle with line on it. And it does look like it's actually tied off. Sometimes you let all the line out and they haven't tied it off. But yeah, that's definitely tied off on there. Do not use near overhead power lines or during thunderstorms. Sled kite rather than parafoil, I think. Yeah. It's going to be that way up. I better just zoom out a bit so we've got a better view. Right, so that way up, so you have the pattern towards you. And then the wind should catch in there to give you the strength. So there's two of them, one on either side. Do we call that a parafoil or do we call that a sled kite? Probably a sled kite. And I'm sure I've done one of these not so long ago. Yeah. Well, that'll go in the back of the car again, and we'll see what we can do with it. If I just move that out the way, I'll lay that down like that. That gives you a slightly better idea. These bits inflate with the wind going through them. Yeah, lovely. sled kite, I would think we'd call that. Right, fold it back up again, see if we can get it back in the package and put it in the car. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.